Hello, everyone, and welcome to a Boomi How-To. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to pass a true null value after a map shape to XML and database profiles. Now, in this process, we have our sample data in a message shape. We're gonna in the map we're gonna see a first name value, but in this case, we don't have a first name value, right? It's going to be empty. And that's what we want to be null when we pass it to like a database, wherever you want to update it. But here we don't have it. In the map shape, you can see that we're mapping a first name value to the first name here, right? In this case, if this wasn't here, this default value, say it was just empty, it would just ignore first name, and that element wouldn't be there in the output data. So I can show you real quick what that would look like. Let me test it. We'll take a look. Right. So ID, even though first name was mapped, it's just gonna be ignored because nothing was actually there. So it wouldn't pass any null value, right? To get around this, we can use a default value within the actual element that we want to be null. So in this case, we're going to use 3 @ and just click OK and save. And then right after that map shape, we're going to use a data process shape to search and replace those 3 @ and we're going to replace it with nothing. It's just going to be empty. So let's just see how that goes when we actually go and test it. Okay. So we'll see the data coming out of the map. See, even though the input data was empty with the first name, we had a default value. So the map would just set it to that default value if nothing was there. And as we can see, it's actually set to that land symbol. The data process shape will search for that, the entire document for them, and then replace it with nothing. So you can see after that first name is actually null at this point. So this is helpful for updating databases in particular, but I know XML profiles also have the problem where the map would just ignore it. So you would use this workaround to get around that. But that is how you do it. It would basically be a map, and then within the map, you would set up a default value for the element that you want to have null. And then right after that, you'd use a data process shape to search and replace for that default value, and then just replace it with nothing. And that's simple as that. All right. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day, everyone.